There is a little bit more freedom in bug bounty, which is why I believe that a lot of pen testers, after their hours, maybe in their weekends, etc., they do bug bounty, because then you may have this one idea on a client that you would be like, this may work, but I may not have the time. I need to finish up this report by tomorrow. I need to make sure that I focus, that I get everything done. But bug bounty really allows you to put in that time. It's not always super helpful that you have so much time in bug bounty, because I've been in so many situations where I really literally spent the whole weekend, like from Friday afternoon to up until Monday morning, trying to crack something, and then it didn't happen. And at the end of the day, you also feel like, okay, what did I accomplish here? But then I try to think, did I try something unusual that maybe at this application did not work, but that may work on a different application? Even though I don't find something, even though I don't earn any bug bounties, I still have my notes. And there's been many times where a particular attack scenario that I had in mind for a specific app didn't work out. I could just recycle that for the next opportunity. So I try to see these things as an investment. Because at the end of the day, for bug bounty, you don't get paid for your time, and for pen testing, you do get paid. I think that is the main difference.